Start recording. Stop recording. Button.
The wind was southwest at 14 miles an hour, gusting to 26. The barometric pressure was 30.17 inches and falling. Nearby, it was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 57 at Anderson. This is the National Weather Service Office in Indianapolis. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning system on weather radio station CBC 74. During potentially dangerous weather situations, by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon Eastern Time each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This very warning normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter and occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in Indiana: Boone, Decatur, Delaware, Hamilton, Hancock, Hendricks, Henry, Johnson, Madison, Marion, Morgan, Rush, Shelby, and Tippett. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station KC 74. Watches and warnings for the following counties in Indiana: Bradford, Delaware, Grant, Henry, Jay,
Taking a look at the 4 through 7 day forecast for Indianapolis and central Indiana. For Friday night, mostly cloudy with a 20% chance of rain showers. Lows in the mid-30s. Saturday, partly cloudy. Highs around 50. For Saturday night, partly cloudy with a 20% chance of rain showers and snow showers.
Bit of a messy setup.
Lows in the lower 30s. Sunday, partly cloudy with chance of rain showers, possibly mixed with snow showers. Highs in the upper 40s. Chance of precipitation 30%. For Sunday night.
Next time you guys hear that warning tone, or that tone, it'll be a warning tone.
Possibly mixed with snow showers.
Because our tornado drill is issued as a tornado warning, and that will be on Tuesday.
Mostly cloudy with a 50% chance of rain showers, possibly mixed with snow showers. Highs in the lower 50s. For Monday night. Mostly
It gets
cloudy
very
with a 20%
annoying.
chance of rain showers. Lows in the
Seriously, how many videos am I going to upload today?
Tuesday, partly cloudy with a 20% chance of rain showers. Highs in
First,
the mid-50s.
South Carolina's drill, then North Carolina's drill. Know this.
14-day outlook for Wednesday, March 17th through Tuesday, March 23rd. Calls for
If you guys think I should do this in the tornado drill tour, let me know in the comments.
normal highs
Also,
for the period are around 55 degrees.
if anybody has any ideas of where I should stand outside to record the tornado drill, let me know in the comments as well.
For the 7 days is around
You're also going to see the HH-54's first
11 a.m.
warning on my channel, not its first warning overall. It's been in service since March of last year.
42,
Actually, December of last year.
44%. The wind was
Since 2019.
miles an hour, gusting to 35.
Oh crap, this video's already 4 minutes long.
30.18 inches and steady. Around central Indiana, it was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 65 at Eagle Creek Air Park and 65 at Shelbyville. At Muncie, it was partly sunny, with a temperature of 67. Elsewhere across Indiana, it was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 65 at Terre Haute, 66 at Bloomington, and 65 at Evansville. It was partly sunny, with a temperature of 60 at South Bend and 64 at Fort Wayne. At Lafayette, it was cloudy, with a temperature of 66. Just outside Indiana, skies ranged from partly sunny to cloudy. It was 59 at Chicago, 61 at Champaign, and 62 at Dayton. St. Louis reported 67.
If you're wondering why I'm holding this thing by the antenna, the signal's not that good.
66. Once again, at Indianapolis, it was 64 degrees with partly sunny skies.
What's about up here?
This is no all hazards radio.
Now I'm going to let you guys see the wind advisory.
In Indianapolis. Here is a wind advisory statement for the following county: Boone, Indiana. Wind advisory.
I don't know why we're not
in
on
effect
our
from 1
advisory.
p.m. this afternoon to 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Thursday. South winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 45 miles per hour expected. The areas affected include portions of central, north central, southwest, and west central Indiana. The hazardous
they did extend
conditions
it.
are expected from 1 p.m. this afternoon to 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Thursday. The following impacts are expected. Gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Additional details. Strongest winds are expected from 2 p.m. to 7 p.m. Use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor objects. And now a look at your forecast.
Well, that's going to do it for today's test. And probably today's videos.